This sewing machine toy comes with some accessories like the pins, threads. There are 6 different colors of thread. So here's the place to install the batteries. It requires 4 AA batteries. So here's the threads housing. Here is a little door. It can be open and closed. Once you install the batteries, the lights can be on. The cool thing about this sewing machine toy is this comes with a cover, fully cover the needle, so it prevents kids' finger get hurt. Pull the end of the thread, follow the steps to place the thread, and a threaded needle as well. You can also use the little pin to help you threading the machine. You will need to roll the hand wheel to make the needle hole accessible and then use the little pin to thread the needle. Since this is a sewing machine toy, this one only has the top thread, doesn't have the bottom thread, but there is a very important step is before using it, you need to roll the hand wheel and the needle will go down and you will hear a sound of a click and you will see the thread come out from the bottom. Once you see the thread is connected, it's ready to use. This sewing machine only works on the thicker and harder fabric. The thread can be easily pulled off, so kids can practice on the same fabric again and again. The thread also can be secured on the fabric. Just need to tie the knot on the back of the fabric. Sewing machine doesn't work on the fabric that is too thin or too soft because the thread just not gonna stitch.